Euro currency opens up the week hovering near unchanged, closing out today around 113.60 and 113.70. Recall on Friday we saw the euro get to multi-year highs, getting all the way up to 114.73 before backing off into that 113.60s range. We closed there today roughly unchanged on the session, but still a lot to come later this week. The ECB will be meeting this week, and they are expected to cut rates not only this week, but later on in the months ahead. So it'll be interesting to see this rally we've seen from the euro, which has really stemmed from a weaker dollar, but has continued to push higher. How will these rate cuts and how will these trade and tariff news headlines affect where we stand today? Again, seeing the euro rally to multi-year highs on Friday, backing off slightly into the close, and then trading unchanged at 113.60 today. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. And you'll notice that euro volatility was higher, just about like every other asset class. FX volatility was the same. It was spiking higher last week as we saw prices fluctuating, as we were watching news headlines. And then today we saw it kind of open up the week a little lower. Nothing significant. It still remains very close to 3-year highs. Lastly, let's talk about positioning and what are speculators doing. Well, as of last Tuesday, speculators were adding back to their net long positions. Recall earlier in the month they were exiting their net long positions. Well, they were adding back to them. This is ahead of the big rally we saw to multi-year highs. So again, with this week's ECB meeting and continued headline watching, it'll be interesting to see exactly what those speculators will do when we get the CFTC reports again next Friday.